In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Monzo Business online banking password. Monzo employs a unique approach to secure your account through cutting-edge technology, relying on magic links and QR codes for authentication rather than traditional passwords. Let's dive into the steps to reset your access. The initial step is logging in via a magic link or QR code. If you choose the magic link method, start by visiting the Monzo Business web portal and entering your registered email address. Soon after, you'll receive an email containing the magic link. Simply click on that link and you'll be logged into your account instantly. Alternatively, you can log in using a QR code. On the same web page, choose the QR code login option. Then open the Monzo Business app on your mobile device, tap on your profile at the top left corner, and select Go to Monzo Business Web. This will prompt you to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once scanned, approve the login attempt on your mobile app using either your PIN or biometric authentication. This ensures that your account remains secure while offering a seamless login experience. If you find yourself unable to access the email account associated with your Monzo Business login, you might need to update your email address. Begin by sending an email to Monzo support at help@monzo.com. In your message, provide some key details: your old email address, the new email address you'd like to use, your phone number, and a photo of yourself holding a piece of paper with today's date written on it alongside your ID. This step is crucial for Monzo to verify your identity securely and update your information accordingly. In the event that you continue to face issues after attempting the above methods, reaching out to Monzo's support team will be your next course of action. You have a few options for getting in touch. First, you can use the in-app chat feature within the Monzo Business app to communicate directly with the support team. Alternatively, if you prefer to speak with someone, you can call Monzo at 0800-802-1281 if you're in the UK, or at +44 20 3872 0620 if you're calling internationally. Lastly, you could send a detailed email to help@monzo.com explaining the issue you're encountering. Monzo's responsive team will be ready to assist you promptly. Remember, Monzo's commitment to security is robust. They implement automatic logouts after just 5 minutes of inactivity and require app approval for all logins and payments. Furthermore, since Monzo doesn't use traditional passwords, they rely on secure methods like magic links, QR codes, and app-based authentication. If ever you forget your PIN, you can easily reset it by following the instructions provided in the app. These details are essential to ensuring your Monzo account remains safe and accessible only to you. By following these steps, you'll maintain secure access to your Monzo Business online banking. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.